Hey, what's going on, everybody? It's David here, always helping you play creatively. Today we're looking at the song Thank You Jesus from Gayle. That girl can sing. We're definitely going to add some more flavor in the chord section of the song. All right, so I'm going to play the song for you, and then we're going to go ahead and break it down. Here we go. Thank you, Jesus, for the blood applied. Thank you, Jesus, you have washed me white. Thank you, Jesus, you have saved my life. You brought me from the darkness into glorious light. All right, let's go ahead and break this song down. Here we go. So, first section of the song, we have this. Thank. Now, this is a B flat chord. U, D7 sharp 5, Jesus, G minor 7. For the. Now, I know what the screen says. It says B flat 7 over F, and that is true, but that's not how I'm viewing the chord. I'm viewing this chord really as an F minor 6. Okay? I'm removing that 6 and replacing it with a B flat, going to an E flat. So I'm really thinking of this chord as an F minor chord going to E flat. That's really important in terms of the theory because it's part of the 2-5-1 progression that's going on, okay? So, thank you, Jesus, for the... Now here, that's the 2 of F minor is the 2 of E flat. Blood. Okay, now we're at the E flat. Blood. This is a E flat major 7. And just look at the voicing of this, okay? So this is right hand, left hand. Blood. And I'm providing a grace note in there sometimes. I like to use that. Blood applied. And now I'm going to a B flat sus chord over a D. Okay, so let's play that first part again. Thank you, Jesus, for the blood applied. All right, let's move on to the second part. Now, I'm using those chords as passing chords to get to that G minor. So, B flat, G flat diminished 7, going to a G minor. So that's the move in terms of what's playing in the right hand. So B flat, A, C, B flat. So let me play it in rhythm. Blood applied. Thank. Now we're on the G minor. So I'm playing the G minor. I'm really stacking that chord really tightly together. This is my left hand. This is my right hand, okay? Thank you, Jesus. Okay, so I'm going G minor. Thank you, Jesus. I'm playing a C over E. Now, sometimes I like to play this C over E like this. Jesus, really, really sparse, okay? Just with a D and a G and an E, and then I've removed the C. So it's really like a C sus2 over E. Jesus, so thank you, Jesus, you have washed, B flat over F, wash me white. Now this is really important. Wash me white. On white, we're gonna play these changes. Now we have, we're gonna look at this as an A. The screen says A minor 7 flat 5, or A half diminished 7 is what I like to call it. Watch this. So that's C over E. This is a C diminished chord with a G flat in the bass, okay? Think of it like that. And so I've removed the G flat from my right hand, Okay. Thank you. So let's play that second part again. Wash me white. Thank you, Jesus, you have washed me white. We're back to this G minor again. Thank you, F, Jesus. Now we've played this E flat major 7 chord before, okay? Jesus, you have, watch this, saved. Now this is a C over E. However, this is my right hand and this is my left. I'm putting the D in my left hand, so it's really a C sus chord over E, but I'm taking that D and putting in the left hand. Saved my. So that's a D major chord over an F sharp, okay? And then in this other part of my left hand, I'm playing this. So E, F, E, D. Life. So saved my life. So let's play that second section. That third section. Thank you, Jesus, you have saved my life. All right, let's go to the last part. We have brought. So this is going to be a, we're going to look at this as a C over E again, okay? But I'm not playing the C, so I'm omitting the C and I'm just playing the D and G. Brought me from. Now we're going here, so brought me from. We're going to a, I'm thinking about this in my right hand as a B flat diminished chord, okay? But I'm going to a C sharp in my left hand, so. And then I'm omitting the E from my right as far as we're concerned as it being a B flat diminished chord, okay? So. He brought me from the darkness. We're going to a D minor 7, all right? And that's how I play my D minor 7 here. Brought me from the darkness into glorious light. Hey guys, if you want to understand how it all works, how chords fit together, you want to come up with your own creative ideas, I definitely recommend you check out our website, playcreatively.com, where you can find everything you need to grow as a piano player. But until next time, keep watching, keep learning, and we'll all keep growing together.